If you're experiencing a verification pending status with Gulf Bank Switzerland, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure you have checked your email for any messages from Gulf Bank Switzerland. They may have sent you instructions or requests for additional information needed to complete your verification. Step 2. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that may be required for verification. This typically includes identification, proof of address, and any other relevant financial documents. Step 3. Contact customer support. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit additional information. If customer support requests more information or documents, submit them promptly. Ensure that all documents are clear and legible to avoid further delays. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting the required information, follow up with customer support to confirm that your verification is being processed. This will help ensure that your account is verified as quickly as possible. By following these steps, you can effectively address the verification pending issue with Gulf Bank Switzerland. If problems persist, consider seeking further assistance from a financial advisor.